A disappointing set of numbers in the second quarter. The company missed expectations on top line, bottom line, as well as margins, with revenues growing only 4%. While the consumer giant managed to push up volumes by around 7%, the growth came actually on the back of price cuts. Priya Sheth and Arundhati Ramanan get you the details.
It's yet another disappointing quarterly performance from FMCG major Hindustan Unilever. The consumer behemoth missed expectations on all key parameters, including revenue, profits and margins. Volumes rose, but only because the company resorted to price cuts. The management says pricing pressures have been persistent.
The environment continues to remain challenging. Market growth led by volumes in a deflationary context, and the soft commodity costs continued. Price growth was muted therefore, and the overall competitive intensity remained high. In this backdrop, we have delivered another quarter of profitable volume-led growth.
HUL's largest segment, soaps and detergents, saw steady volume growth, partially due to the price cuts that the company has been taking over the last few quarters. Beverages and personal products saw healthy growth along with marginal pricing uptick. Packaged foods saw an 8th successive quarter of double-digit growth. The company says volume growth will depend on how rural demand shapes up.
We still have to see what the stable situation will be. You know, the response on the monsoon has been a bit mixed. We'll have to see how that impacts rural incomes. So that has to be still played out. As far as we are concerned, we continue to have all our programs in the rural markets running. Our distribution is as good as anyone can ever get in the rural markets. If there is an acceleration post-monsoon, good. And we all hope so, by the way, not only for our business, but it's good for the country.
The company continues to spend aggressively on advertising. Ad spends were up 24% this quarter. However, analysts say that the impact of this expense has not reflected in growth numbers. In Mumbai, with Priya Sheth, Arundhati Ramanan.